Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to create this crochet curly bun with bangs. It's super easy, so if you're interested, continue watching. And these are the products I'll be using. In no particular order, I'll be using some Darling Decor Passion Twist, some soft and free molding gel, bobby pins, scrunchies, crochet, and my rectal comb. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and comb my hair. I don't know why I didn't mention this, but I'll be using a white tooth comb. Shortly after that, I'll be using my soft and free molding gel. And when I tell you that this gel is the best, please believe me. I'll be spreading the gel around my hair. I'll be using my brush to tame the flyaways. Shortly after that, I'm also going to be using a wool to create a ponytail. You can use a scrunchie, that's fine. I'm also going to be using my hair dryer on low heat to set my hair. And here are the scarves that I'll be using. You can use one silk hair scarf or two if you like. If you didn't actually use hair dryer, you can skip that part and just go straight to using your silk scarf. And here honeys, I'm just showing you the hair I'll be using. I'm also going to be using one scrunchie to create the curly ponytail. Okay, so now I'm going to create my ponytail around the scrunchie. I'm going to take one strand of hair, put it around the scrunchie, and create a knot to secure it like so. This is super easy. All you do is just put one hair and then you just put a knot like so. Please look at this carefully. If you need to slow down the video, that is okay. I'll be repeating this up until I get to my desired ponytail. And this is how the ponytail turned out. It's detachable. You can actually wear it for a long while. And now I'm going to attach the ponytail on my head. This hair is super light and bouncy. I'm just gonna go ahead and create a bun using my bobby pins to secure the hair. Now we're going to create our bang using our crochet needle. And this is how we do it. I'm going to take one piece of hair through the needle like so. You close the hook, pull the hair all the way through the needle and close the hook. And pull it all the way through while holding one end like so. And now that you're gonna secure the hair with a knot. I hope I'm explaining it well, honeys. If not, please just watch what I'm doing and just repeat the steps. And now I'm just gonna try one more time. You take your needle, you put your hair, you close your hook, and you pull the hair all the way through. And now I'm just showing you, honeys, that I'm almost done. I did this part offline, and this is how the hair looks. And I secure the hair with a knot like so. I'll be repeating this step up until I get to my desired bang. And here I'm just customizing my bangs using my scissor. You can actually do as you please here. There's no formula. All you do, you just style it the way you would like it to fit the frame of your face. This was my first time creating this type of hairstyle, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut and customize the hair. It is beginner friendly. I would like to think so. It was easy. Yeah, so please do recreate this. I would really like to see how you honeys do it there at home, and please do not forget to tag me when you create this hairstyle. We have come to the end of the video, and this is how the hair turned out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you took something from this, and I also hope you liked, subscribed, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye!